English phrases explained. Wear a scarf. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, wear a scarf. This video will help you understand not only what it means but also how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Wear a scarf simply means to put on a scarf, which is a piece of fabric worn around the neck. Scarves can be used for warmth, style, or religious reasons. This phrase is particularly useful in cold weather or fashion contexts. Remember, it's all about how the scarf is used and the purpose it serves. You can use wear a scarf in various situations. In cold weather, it's freezing outside. Don't forget to wear a scarf. For fashion advice, that outfit would look great with a blue scarf. While discussing dressing habits, in our culture, people often wear scarves for warmth. Be careful not to confuse wear a scarf with similar phrases. For example, put on a scarf is about the action of putting it around your neck, while wear a scarf is more about the state of having it on. Also, remember that scarf can mean both the plural and singular form. Let's practice. Try making sentences using wear a scarf. Here are a few starters. 1. Whenever I blank, I always wear a scarf. 2. You should wear a scarf because blank. I hope this video has made the phrase wear a scarf clear and easy to use in your conversations. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.